Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting new updates for the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. Trust me, you won't want to miss these game-changing upgrades that Honda has rolled out. For the 2025 model year, Honda has made a bold move by replacing the top two trim levels, EX and Touring, with the all-new Civic Hybrid. The new Civic Hybrid lineup introduces the Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring trims, both featuring a robust 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Honda's two-motor hybrid system. This setup delivers an impressive 200 horsepower and 232 lb-ft of torque, 20 more horsepower and 55 more lb-ft of torque compared to the previous 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. And the best part? The weight gain is minimal, just 282 pounds over the non-hybrid sport trim. You can now enjoy the Civic Hybrid in both sedan and hatchback body styles across both trim levels. In the hatchback version, these hybrids take over from the EXL and Sport Touring trims. But the new Civic Hybrid is not just about fuel efficiency. The Sport Hybrid stands out as a more sophisticated ride compared to the standard Sport model. Along with increased power and fuel savings, you also get premium features like a sunroof, heated front seats, and dual-zone automatic climate control. The interior is quieter too, thanks to active noise cancellation and quieter, more fuel-efficient tires. Opt for the Sport Touring model, and Honda takes it a step further by adding special resonators in the wheels to minimize road noise even more. We've often criticized Honda for its noisy interiors, but they've clearly listened. The Civic Sport Touring boasts an impressively quiet cabin, with the engine only making its presence known when it starts up, which is quite a contrast to the serene electric drive. Even at freeway speeds, it's easy to have a quiet conversation, though the Sport Hybrid might be slightly noisier inside. And now for the price tags. The Sport Hybrid comes in just under $30,000 at $29,845, while the Sport Touring model is priced at $32,845. So there you have it, folks, the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid, combining power, efficiency, and luxury in one package. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more updates and reviews on the latest cars. Thanks for watching.